your soul. Why? Don't enter the dark alley. Why not? Do I at least have a flashlight? Oh, good. Here I go. Nothing here. Looks a little too scary. I'm gonna stay here. I wonder if I go to sleep. Go asleep, maybe. Everything. This might just be a dream. But go to sleep, wake back up. Nothing will be here. Yeah, good idea. Well, that didn't work. I'm still here. It's not a dream. Oh no. Might as well just try to find my way around things. There's nothing here but darkness. Flashlight. Oh, let me get some batteries out. There we go. What was that? Who are those people? Ah! What was that? Ah! Ah! It's dark. What's going on? Oh. What happened to my flashlight? Okay. I'm scared. I know we should go. I don't know if this is a good idea. Things in there. Ah! What's going on? Ah! Okay. Breathe. Breathe, Naya. Breathe, AK. Breathe. Just keep walking and you will be fine. Keep walking. Don't. Ah! Mommy. Okay, I gotta keep going. I can't stop. Dark. Something's blocking. Ah! I swear, I just saw a ghost running across. And Daddy? Is that you? My daddy's dead. Gone, I tell you, gone. I'm scared. Ah! Is he real? What? Yeah. Hey, yeah. I can face my fear. Come at me, bro. Come at me. That's what my daddy used to say. Blood to the vet? I'm gonna keep walking. What was that? This might as well be a very bad idea. But I'm not gonna give up till I find my daddy. That wasn't my daddy. Huh. Don't believe it. It couldn't be. I'm just gonna keep walking up these stairs. No givey's upsies. Again, no givey's upsies. Even how scary it gets, steps I've taken ever. Okay, I made it up the stairs. My daddy's office? Daddy? It's so dark. I need to find my way around things. The door is just open. I'm not going to be scared anymore. You know why? Even though how many ghosts there is, I'm going to keep going. Just keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Stay calm. Stay calm. Do whatever you need to stay calm. Do not give up, my daddy used to say. And I will not give up. Nope. Want me to give up? Never. Ghost, bring it on, you stupid ghost. I would have caught you if I could. Yep. I was expecting something like that. I'm free! I'm free! Oh, thank goodness. Now I gotta get my way out of here. Oh no, don't tell me they're still here. Oh no. Stupid ghost, bring it on! I said bring it on! Can't scare me anymore. I love my daddy. And I'll be sure to love him forever. I will not give up. No. You stupid dog. You're practically leading me the way. Practically tell me where to go. I'm gonna get you. Oh my gosh, a hole in the ground. Let me try to get up there. Okay. Good thing I woke up from that faint. I want to get out of here. I want to get out of here. I gotta get out of here. If they didn't kill my dad in the first place, none of this would have happened. I'm gonna be finding them. Or either my dad. None of this would have happened. I don't know why they're leaving me away. Kinda weird. Kinda strange. But still. Oh good, thank goodness someone's here. They can pop out on me any second now. What's this place? It has been 6 months since the accident. I hope you have recovered well. The car is downstairs. I'll meet you there. Okay. Thanks, Doc. No, my pleasure. Hello. Hi. Weird. What's that? Find me around things. Hello? Hello? Have you seen my dad? Nope, sorry. What's that? I see. Doctor business? I'm gonna get out of here. Hello? Okay. See if he gets it. We need to find that code. Snowman, yeah. Oh. Is there a part 2? I'm not sure. What do you mean part 2? Huh. Well, it's kind of confusing to talk about, so I gotta go. Okay. Whoa. A portal. I'm gonna go through it. It was all just a dream. Who's that up the stairs? She looks just like me. Oh no, not again. Okay guys, so that's Paranormal Activity Part 1. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya!